I'm now coming up to the Jamie Bell Adventure Playground, designed in 1998, and this is an area that kids really love right here in Hyde Park. It's a beautifully designed playground. Really in the shape of a castle. Wooden design with all sorts of activities, swings, slides, places to hide in, places to pop in and out of. Very popular place, nicely maintained. Also very safe. And just a gorgeous little place here. Couldn't have picked a better day. The weather is just perfect. And there's a look at all the stuff that's going on in this park.